Hey there, welcome to another SalesPlay POS tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a customer order with advance payment and settle due amounts. Let's get started. First, tap on the three-dot icon in the menu. From here, select Create Order. Now, add products to the cart by simply tapping on the products. Got them added? Great. Now, tap on the Create Order button to proceed. Next, we need to add a customer to the order. Tap on the Add Customer icon, select the customer from the search list, and hit the Add icon. Quick tip: if you don't have a customer profile ready, don't worry. You can create one easily. Watch our dedicated video on how to create customers for detailed steps. All right, now tap on the calendar icon to set the due date and time for the order. Once that's done, enable advance payment by ticking the box, or leave it unchecked if no advance payment is required. Easy, right? Now, everything's set. Tap on Save to continue. Next, enter the advance amount the customer is paying. Tap on Charge to confirm the payment. You can also see the amount paid and the due amount printed clearly on the receipt. To charge the due amount, head over to the Open Orders section. Tap on the Customer Orders tab and select your order created. Can't remember the due amount? Don't worry, simply scroll down and you'll see both the advance payment and the remaining due amount right there. Need to share or print a pre-bill? No problem. You'll find two buttons for sharing or printing under the Edit Order button. To settle the due amount or update the order, tap on Edit Order. This will take you back to the cart where you can make any changes or complete the transaction. Ready to finish it up? Just tap on Charge to settle the payment and close the transaction. And that's it. You're done. You can track the status of customer orders through a report in the BackOffice web portal. Navigate to the Reports section, then go to Advanced Sales Report and select Sales by Orders to view order statuses. Creating orders with advance payments and settling dues has never been easier. For more tutorials and tips, visit our SalesPlay official help page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy selling!